We're watching a severe weather risk across the metro area. This right here is a live look at Storm Tracker 2 HD radar, and you can see some showers, but nothing too bad just yet. The key word being yet here. This is a live look over Stone Mountain into DeKalb County. As you see the clouds, you see it kind of gray out there. This is setting up to be a pretty intense weather situation, so we want to keep you updated here. Let's continue right now our live Severe Weather Team 2 coverage, and Chief Meteorologist Glenn Burns is live right now in Severe Weather Center 2. Glenn, what are you seeing right now, and what does this mean maybe for kids getting out of school later on today?
Exactly right. The time is very coincident with the arrival of the thunderstorms, which what is predicted right now with when the kids are getting out of school, unfortunately. So check with your school. They have procedures put in place just for this episode here. So again, check with your school before the kids get out, and you'll know what's happening here. But right now, dealing with showers and no rumbles of thunder just yet, but some locally heavy downpours running from Fannin County here into the Ellijay area around Gilmer County, just east of 75 here in Gordon County. These stretch down here into Bartow County, just to the northwest of Allatoona Lake. Now, these are moving along toward the east at about 30 miles per hour. So they're moving at a pretty good clip here, but nothing severe. If you got stuff to do right now, let's get it done. Now, let's go to our Doppler 2 radar network, which we have the best radars anywhere. So we're looking at the Birmingham National Weather Service radar, and we're looking at the showers and the thunderstorms here stretching out of Huntsville and then back over here to northwestern Alabama. These are the storms that we're concerned about later this afternoon. So let's take a look first of all at our HD tower cam here. If you can see these clouds are ripping across the sky here at a pretty good level. We have a very strong low-level wind at about 5,000 feet, and some of those stronger winds at that level could be brought down to the ground. So let's take a look at this part of the forecast. Here's that jet streak we're looking at right now. So the storm developing along the Gulf Coast here, they're going to be riding up to the northeast toward our South Metro and Middle Georgia this afternoon. And then the storms up to the north here across northern Mississippi and northern Alabama, these are the ones that will be moving into the northern part of Georgia, maybe north of I-20 here between 1 and 2 p.m. this afternoon. Still in fluctuation as far as that forecast goes, but meteorologist Brian Monahan in the Weather Center right now to take you more on the hour-by-hour forecast and the local threats.
Yeah, early this morning, Glenn, we had an initial line of rain come through. Some clouds come through. That has delayed the start of storms to some extent. We have some showers developing, as you showed us, in northwest Georgia. Let me take you back in time toward 9 o'clock. We had that band of rain coming across the North Georgia mountains through metro Atlanta and down through the south side. Clouds hung on for a while behind that. So our storm's getting a little bit of a later start. But what's happening right now, the sun is peeking through in some spots, and we're seeing more the atmosphere getting a bit more mixed up and a better chance of those storms developing over the next few hours. In fact, as we go toward 1 o'clock this afternoon, as a cold front approaches, some storms starting to develop. Some scattered strong storms could potentially begin to develop as that sun starts to come out and gives us the energy for these storms to pop up. I will tell you one thing we're going to watch closely through the afternoon because of this later start to the storms and because of a few more clouds. The coverage may be a little bit lower. That will be good. We will hope that will work out as we go through the afternoon. So maybe a little bit less in the way of storm coverage by the afternoon, but still at 3 o'clock, those heavy downpours around. And as our cold front moves into North Georgia, the storm risk will drop after about 4, 5, 6 o'clock today, but we'll still have some showers left behind this system as we go through late tonight as cooler and drier air starts to move into North Georgia. So here's the updated severe weather threat for today. It's a large level 3 risk. It includes basically all of North Georgia with any storms that do develop this afternoon with the possibility for damaging wind gusts, large hail, and we will be in Severe Weather Center 2 throughout the day, watching for any isolated tornado risk. The reason this weather system's happening today, we've got a change in air masses. It's been hot. It's been humid all week. That hot and humid air is moving out. Much more comfortable air is moving in for the weekend, and in that battle zone, that's where we are right now between the weather changes happening right now. We'll have the storms behind it, though, mainly dry, beautiful weather for the weekend, highs near 80 degrees. Mother's Day looks excellent. Here's your 5-day forecast. Stormy today. Be weather aware through the afternoon as we watch these storms develop, but by tomorrow, lower humidity. A cooler day Saturday, we're in the low 70s. Beautiful Mother's Day at 77 and plenty of sunshine into early next week. Fish and game forecast for today. Again, please be very weather aware as these storms come in. Peak time in the good range, that comes up at about 6:20. And back with Glenn for an updated Storm Tracker 2 HD in about 10 minutes.
Okay, Brian, thank you very much. Many